Hi everyone, it's iBoats Brian. Today let's talk about prop repair versus buying new, and what the best option is for your boat. As an avid boater, you have most likely had the experience of deciding whether to get a new prop or have one repaired. It can be a hard decision, which takes many things into consideration, including price, the extent of the damage, and other factors. From our 20+ year experience, it is always better to buy a new propeller once dents, dings, and large scratches are discovered. This is because when a prop is being repaired, the diameter of the prop is decreased due to the grinding off of metal that occurs when trying to remove dings and large scratches. This loss of diameter can make the prop uneven and also affect the pitch of your prop, which can reduce the overall engine performance. Plus, when it comes down to it, the price difference between purchasing a new prop and repairing a prop is usually around $30 to $40. Purchasing a new prop will allow your engine to continue to run properly, increasing the endurance of your boat engine so you can enjoy the top engine performance. For all of your prop questions or needs, be sure to visit our prop finder on the iBoats website. And if you're buying a new prop, you'll also want to consider replacing your other prop parts such as hubs and propeller nut kits. If you have any questions, call this number and one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I'm iBoats Brian, and I'll see you on the water.